Imagine walking on the sky. At Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, this dream becomes a reality. After a rainfall, this massive salt flat transforms into the world's largest mirror, reflecting the sky so perfectly. It feels like you're standing in an infinite world where Earth and sky merge. But it's not just about the views. Salar de Uyuni is also home to the planet's largest lithium reserves, powering the technology you use every day. This incredible place blends stunning natural beauty with global importance. So, would you walk on the sky if you had the chance? Want to uncover more amazing places? Stay tuned for more.